Pump and Waterstop solenoid. Access. The engineer needs to switch off the machine, remove the grounds drawer, and turn the key anti-clockwise, and then to open the front panel. The equipment required is 7 and 12 mm wrenches, long and short Phillips head screwdrivers, flathead screwdriver, clippers and clamps. Pump and pressure gauge adjustment. To adjust pump pressure, open the front panel, first sliding out the grounds drawer and turning the key on the top panel anti-clockwise. Use the adjustment screw, turn it clockwise to increase pouring pressure and anti-clockwise to reduce it. Pressure needs to be set while pouring coffee. With the machine in standby mode, the pressure gauge will read 0 due to the Waterstop solenoid. While pouring, the pressure needs to be registered at 9 bar. Pump replacement. Remove the grounds drawer, open the door and remove the water tray. Then, remove the 4 screws supporting the bottom front panel remove the lower screw of the brewing unit and then take off the panel from the front. The engineer will need to open the water inlet fitting by loosening the screw with a 12 mm wrench. Then, remove the 2 outlets using the same wrench on both unions. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the clamp connecting the pump to the motor. Then, take out the pump. Motor replacement. After separating the pump from the motor, use a 7 mm wrench to remove the 4 screws under the machine. The service engineer then needs to free the motor from the assembled machine and disconnect all connected wiring. Follow the video to see whether the motor has been removed with or without the pump. Waterstop replacement. Remove the grounds drawer and the water tray. Open the door and remove the grounds drawer and the water tray. Then remove the 4 screws supporting the bottom front panel and take off the panel from the front. Take out the Waterstop solenoid outlet tube and the 2 connection fasteners. Shut off the incoming water and disconnect the Talento water inlet pipe. Use a short Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws under the coffee machine. Cut the clamp securing the drain pipe to the front of the machine with the clippers, and then replace the Waterstop valve.